Hello and welcome back to our Microsoft Word tutorial series for beginners. So far, we have discussed typing, saving, text formatting, and paragraph formatting. Today, we are going to take a step further and learn about page layout. Page layout helps you control the overall appearance of your document, making it look professional and easy to read. Here is what we will cover in today's lesson. Adjusting margins, changing page orientation, modifying page size, adding columns. Let's start with margins. Margins are the blank spaces around the edge of your document. So for easy understanding, equal to RAND, open bracket, I want to generate 35 paragraphs or 5 sentences each, and you close the bracket, then press enter. So this gives us 5 pages. So we having 5 pages here. By default, Word uses 1 inch margins on all sizes, which works for most documents. So these are the blank spaces around the edges of your document, as I've said earlier on. So you can see that. To change margins, kindly go to the Layout tab, click Margins. You will see several options like normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, and so on. For example, let us select narrow. You see that it reduces the white space. It reduces all this white space as mentioned earlier and fit more text on the pages. So let's go back to normal. Can you see? So you can also click custom margins to enter your own measurement for top, bottom, to enter your own measurement. So if you want 3, so you can use tab to move from top, bottom, left, and right. 3, 3. You can apply to the old document or this point forward. So let's say the old document. You can see as well. So that is it for margins. Next is page orientation. Orientation determines whether your page is vertical, that is portrait, or horizontal, that is landscape. So click orientation, portrait, and landscape. So let's click on landscape. So you can see this. So you use landscape when creating wide tables or charts, and portrait for standard text document. So it returns back to portrait. Now let's adjust page size. By default, Word uses the standard A4 or letter size depending on your region. So click Size in the Layout tab, and you will see options like Letter, Legal, Executive, A3, A4, A5, and so on. So if you click on Legal, Legal is used for official forms. So you can see this. So for better understanding, look, this is the last page. You can see where our text stops. While A4 is standard for a report. So A4. So let's go to the end. You can see now Ledger is longer in size than A4. Finally, let's talk about columns. Columns are useful when you want to create newsletters, flyers, or brochures. So let's highlight our text, Ctrl A to select all. Then click columns. In the layout tab, you can choose 1, 2, or 3 columns. But let me choose 2 columns. And that is it for today's lesson. We've covered adjusting margins, changing page orientation, modifying page size, creating columns. Mastering page layout makes your documents look clean, professional, and ready for printing or sharing digitally. In our next lesson, we will explore inserting images and shapes so you can add visual elements to your document and make them more engaging. If you found today's tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who are learning Microsoft Word. Work smart, not harder. See you in the next word trick.